PROMs, or patient-reported outcome measures, are instruments that are scientifically proven to work to gather information that only patients can give.
Is an umbrella term that refers to a report, often regarding one's state of health or well-being, that comes directly from the patient.
It's not like we're taking a blood test where a clinician can look and read the measurement that comes out, but it's actually getting the person sitting in front of you to tell you how they are feeling, be it about their health or their experiences.
As we get older and we have more multiple chronic morbidities, it's going to become more and more difficult for us to manage our health and well-being. And PROMs are a really important tool to help us to optimize our quality of life.
To me, it's a way to express how I personally feel this drug or therapy is either improving or not improving my life.
So traditionally within HIV research, we've always focused very much on whether somebody's viral load is suppressed or whether somebody's CD4 count has gone up. But we very often fail to think about the whole person and how that person is feeling.
So for instance, if people are experiencing sleep disturbances or fatigue or other things that impede their health and well-being, PROMs use in research and development help to identify particular advantage of new products.
We need something that is reliable and valid. And in simple terms, I think that means to me that if you measure, say, somebody's quality of life now, and you measure it maybe in 10 minutes' time or an hour's time, say, you end up with the same answer. If you get a very different answer, then that is not a good PROM because it's not a particularly reliable one for research purposes.
Sometimes we see that PROMs are trying to measure something, but they don't actually do it properly. So it's important that a PROM is valid.
Our ultimate goal is to make patients and people feel better. And therefore, it's important to measure a patient's perception of their health and quality of life, in addition to important clinical outcomes that might be good proxies for prognosis.
The easy answer to what makes a good PROM and a bad PROM is effectively making sure that the patients have been involved from the outset in defining what good and bad means. There is no point in asking questions which doesn't relate to the experiences and, if you like, the emotions that people feel when they're actually taking a drug or a treatment.